Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss on ASP.NET page design using connection of two pages and carrying of values from one page to another, which is called following wizard, and this is done using query string. So what I have done is, first of all I will run this program and show you what is uh, I have designed and what are the codes behind this program. So let us see. I have added 4 pages and connects one into another and carrying the values of one page to the next page using query string. And see the page here first, and first I will show the practical what I have done on this page. The page is loading here. This is the first page, which is named default.aspx. A little bit slow, but it will load. Yes, it is the first page, and I want to show that first you have to give your ID. Suppose I have given I take the ID and click next to go to the next page. Yes, this iTech will also carry to this page. Hello iTech, enter your password. Yes, I also give the password iTech. Click on submit. Then it will go the next page, which is the welcome page. That is hello dear iTech. Here also the carries the iTech word here also, and this iTech will can be changed from the database or within the declaration of variables. So this is the linking of page and carrying of values from one page to another. And I will exit here. And in case of new user, he can register here, but it is not complete because I have to do some work on the database. So today I will give the options how it is carrying the values. I will show the practical how it will carry the values from this page to next page. And you may see this register page also. Yes, what are the values I will have to put in this registration form. Yes, suppose I have a website, then I have to ask somebody to fill the form here, and I can register by clicking on this. And later on I will show you these things within database, connecting into the database. Now I can select. Yes, this is the first page which I have to show you. So let us see what are the code behind this program. First of all, I have created this webs design web page. This website folder have the picture folder for holding this image pictures. These are the pictures somewhere, and I have added these pictures. And next I have added from right click on this website, adding new items. I have to just stop this debugging. Now right click and add new items, gives the options to add pages, which are default one. This is a default one. This is default page. You see, this is default 3 page. You see here, and this is default 4 page. As my previous example of page designs programs or page designs and practical videos, you have seen how I have designed pages in earlier videos. today I also just review this section only. Here I only simple add a simple pages form added, that there is no master page here. Just this is page, and this is the text box, and these are the button. These are the button. Next page is the default 3. Here is this image. Here is also image, and this is text, and this is exit button. And in case of default 2, you see this is image, and this is text, and this is submit, and this is label, because I have to carry the text from previous page to this level. And so here that is, and this is default fourth page is here, and this is the form design with text box and buttons. So these are the first page design, and now I have to show you the first page event on next button. So here I double click this button, goes to C# area, where I have some coding here. So this is a simple coding. If the text box has values, I take because I have not used the database, so I have just simply verifying this value. So I will show the next video with the database string also. So this value, if it is true, that is if user inputted this, then it will respond the redirect, that is go to the next page with something string along with this page, along with the rejection. The string is textbox1.text, that is where whichever value is here, this string is carrying along with this command response redirect, and it goes to the page default 2.aspx. So how it is held by this page, see here, uh, default 2. I go to the page, this page, and just on form load of this default to .aspx, I have I go to the form load event here. Yes, this is page load event, sorry. So this page load on load, it will give this value of the query string, which I have already told you. Some string is coming to this page. So this is held by this level 3, which is in the design view. You see this is level 3. This is level 3. So it will hold the value, and I have written few things here. This is called request query string. So that is level 3.text is equal request dot query string dot toString. The value will be received by this level 3. So this is the main fact which is allowing us to carrying the input from default page to default 2 page. This is the main thing. And in case of third page, this level 3.text has some string, and this value will be sent to the page default 3. How it is done, you see here, this is level 1. So I have to pick this value from level from the page of default 2. So where this is the value, this value has already have the value of level 3.text, and I have send this page from this button event. This is button event of default 2, that is this is the button event generated by submit button. Whichever value it is not passed, but I have passed the value of level 3. See here, if this value is I take, that definitely it goes to the next page, that is third page. Then it should have some string also. This string is, what is the string? The string is level 3.text, because I have to pass this value as user ID. So user ID's value is in level 3.text now. and this level 0 text is passed to the page default 3, that is my page number is here default 3. So this page has level 1. So now I hold this value by the level 1 the text, and how it is held, see here, this has also a page load event of default 3.spx.